So in order to go beast mode, you're gonna have fuel to go beast mode. So gaining weight, I'm eating before I go to the gym with a couple fasting days to balance out my fat gains. And then when I'm burning fat, I'm going more fasted cardio, more fasted workouts, because I'm trying to tap into body fat. I've got as much muscle as I want, and I'm okay with losing a little bit of muscle if I'm going to be burning fat predominantly. Yo, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna talk about fasting and working out, right? What do I recommend when it comes to building muscle and or burning fat? So we'll cover both of those. Like, yo, if I'm building muscle, should I work out fasted or not? Or if I'm burning fat, should I work out fasted or not? And I'm gonna give you those two answers based on my own personal experience. Okay, so first off, let's go into building muscle, because a lot of people that are following me are skinnier people like me who wanna build muscle. And so I'm using intermittent fasting right now in order to stay lean while I'm building muscle, right? So I'll work out, I'll have a regular day where I'm not fasting, I'll eat my calories, 2,800 calories. And then once I start getting a little bit bigger, I'll notice that my fat is increasing too as well. I know this from looking at myself, but also because my scale is a body fat scale and it shows that it goes up too as well. However, I start implementing a couple fasting days, like 2 to 3 fasting days. And then on those days when I'm doing cardio, working out fasted, I'll lose a little bit more body fat while retaining as much muscle as possible. So while I'm lifting, while I'm looking to build muscle, I am working out 3 to 4 times a week, not fasted, with food. And then the other 2 to 3 times a week, I am working out fasted with fasted cardio too as well, right? So it's a balance. I do both throughout the week. Not every single day, because when you go into the gym, at least from my experience, you have to go beast mode if you want to build real muscle. Can you get strong? Can you get definition? Can you look great doing like a regular chest day, a regular back day, maybe like 4 or 5 workouts, 3 sets, 8 to 12? Absolutely, absolutely. Especially if you're a beginner, you can get great results. However, I want beast mode results. I want like real thick, dense muscle. I want the cardiovascular endurance with that muscle. I want the shreds. I want the strength. I want all of it. I don't just want to be big. I don't just want to be strong. I want all of it. In order to do that, I found works best for me is going beast mode. So on someone's typical chest day, I'll do chest, and when most people are done, they'll leave the gym. But I'll do chest, and then I'll do shoulders, and then I'll do triceps, kind of like a whole push day, right? On a push-pull leg split type of thing. And when you're doing that, after you get through chest, you've burned through a lot of glycogen stores and you've burned through a lot of reserves. And so if there's no food on your stomach, it's gonna be pretty hard to continue to go beast mode for shoulders and triceps, right? So if you're looking to go beast mode, I would recommend definitely getting some food in your stomach about 2 to 3 hours before you go work out, and maybe a little something 30 minutes, 45 minutes right before you work out, like a shake and some sugar and stuff like that right before you work out, 3 to 4 times a week, right? So a Monday, Wednesday, Friday, Saturday type of deal, okay? And then on the other days, Tuesday, Thursday, Sunday, when I'm going fasted, I'll do like some fasted cardio, right? Or fasted workout, because I'm trying to tap into body fat. I'm not trying to be beast mode on the days that I'm fasting. Yes, I want to be strong. Yes, I'm going for strength, but my strength days are coming from being fed while going into the gym. That works for me. That works best for me. And from the clients and friends and family who follow the instructions that I give them, that works best for them too, okay? So that's how I would do it when building muscle. Now, when it comes to burning fat, it's kind of like the same idea. When you're looking to just go, I want to burn fat, like muscle is cool, I want to build muscle a little bit, but my priority is fat burning, then yes, now you can go maybe like 4 days a week, 5 days a week, fasted cardio, and then have 2 days where you're lifting and eating and working towards strength, because your priority is burning fat. And when you are going fasted, you're going to burn through the reserves, and then your body's going to start tapping into fat 30, 45 minutes into your workout as fuel, right? And so you'll get more fat burning properties. So whether it's resistance training or cardio, if you're fat focused, then there are more fasted workouts than there are not, right? But when I am strength focused, there are less fasted days than there are not. So I hope that makes sense, right? You're going for strength, you need food to go beast mode, because we're not just doing chest. We're doing chest, triceps, and shoulders, whole push day. We're doing back, shoulders, and bicep, whole push day. We're doing legs, and legs is ridiculous. So in order to go beast mode, you're gonna have to have fuel to go beast mode. So gaining weight, I'm eating before I go to the gym with a couple fasting days to balance out my fat gains. And then when I'm burning fat, I'm going more fasted cardio, more fasted workouts, because I'm trying to tap into body fat. I've got as much muscle as I want, and I'm okay with losing a little bit of muscle if I'm going to be burning fat predominantly. So that is it. That is what I do. That is how I'm gaining weight. I'm literally on a mission to gain 12 pounds of muscle while losing 3 to 5% body fat in the next 12 weeks. Now, it might take longer. It might take 16, it might take 20. I don't care. But that's what we're doing. I'm literally a couple days in, and I don't know if you can see it. I don't know if you can see it just from this video, just from the top half. But we're doing legs too as well. So hope this video helps. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll make sure to keep pumping out this content for you so you guys could pack on some real muscle, stay lean, and get that dream physique that you want. All right, so I appreciate your viewership time, and see you guys in the next one. Peace.